Welcome back to Chuck's Workshop. Today we're going to be working on the camshaft gear for my Hoglet, and what we're doing is drilling holes for the magnets that pick up on the sensor to run our ignition. There's two of them, and I've been just procrastinating because I don't want to make mistakes, obviously, but it should be fun, and let's see how it goes. And obviously, if you got any questions, please ask, and if you like and enjoy, please hit the like button and subscribe. So we'll see ya. So when you zoom in, all you have to do is breathe on the camera and it moves it around. Anyhow, if you see that line that's scribed in there, that's lined up with the center camshaft lobe at the very highest point, which would be the top of the lobe. But so from that point, I have to go over a certain amount of degrees one way and then a certain amount of degrees the other way. So I'm going to do some test fitting or test moving, and we're going to see if we can get everything put in place so we can drill the holes. So here we go. So what I have to try to do is line up that bit, and I don't know, I know it has to be pretty close, and then I have to tighten down, and I have to tighten down the clamps, and hopefully the clamps aren't in the way, and if they are, then I have to redo the whole thing again. Looks to me like that's pretty dang close. It's just way too much light on it, you know. It looks pretty close. That's a good picture right there. Let me get something to tighten these. Not well prepared as usual. This is a precision engine, but I still want to get it as close as possible because I did spend a lot of time trying, you know what I mean? I think I'm going to try to move this one right away. I think I'm going to try to do that. So now, what I should have done, that's what I should have done. Let me get this. I wasn't thinking. I should have set this to 0. Yeah, I'll set it to 0. Now we can reset this. Because we want 0. I have the right light here somewhere. That should do that right there. Yep. Can't just cooperate, can you? And we're not going to drill a hole there, so I'm going to get as close as I can. Alright. That should be the 0 mark. Well, how crazy you could go trying to get this thing. Let me get the first measurement. First measurement is counterclockwise, 39 degrees. So, we got 10, 20, 30, 39, 321 and 39 is 360. That'd be 0. So that there's our first hole. Let's go. Let's go. Let's just get it done with. I think what I'm going to do, I could go back to where I was, but I'm not real confident with the setup I got for my digital readout stuff. It's just, it's not a DRO, it's just 3 separate ones I got, and let's just do it this way. And we don't have to mess around. So the holes for the magnets are 1/8 inch or 125, but the magnets are just about 125.5. So I'm hoping not to drill over drills, because I don't know if I got a reamer that size. So let us 22. See what this one is. It's not even right. Okay. Well, let's try it with this. We'll drill it. Problem with the magnet, man, that thing's small. I've got big, clumsy, arthritic hands, so I'm not sure that's going to be the wisest move, me trying to do it over here. Aluminum. Alright. Let me see what my reamer package says that I got here. I wonder if I got a small one. Chinese reamers. Let's see how close it is to 1/8 of an inch. It's not. I guess it is. It's a little bit over. which is what I would rather have anyway. If it's a little over, we can use a little bit of something to hold it in there, right? That might not be the worst idea. What do you think about that? You dumbass. Put it in backwards. It's so small I can't even tell the difference. Dumas. Here we go. Alright. Hope I didn't lose any of you. Get a little something out of there. Not much. Little. So now we have to go the other way. We have to go back to 0. Doesn't help that my scale is all rusty. That. So we'll get the other drill bit in there and do the same thing after I get to the right position. We'll center drill it, and ream it. So we are at 120. So So, mount that holds the pickup for the ignition is obviously movable, and timing on this engine, I'm going to guess I got a little wiggle room, only because it's like 7-to-1 compression or something, and it's probably finicky, to say the least. Finicky, to say the least. And it runs on 2-stroke engine oil because there's no oiling system. So I gotta find all the right stuff for this to happen, you know? And it's not made to run forever. It's just start it up, listen to it, shut it off, kind of thing. So here we go. Center. I don't know if you can see that. shadow. Okay, done with that one. Done with that one. Put this one back in. This will take us all the way through. Let's go. Make it happen. Just enough to make a difference. Let's do the last part. Get it out of there and we'll show you what we're doing. So, this almost ready. I get pretty anxious sometime. As soon as you get close, you want to see it, right? So, let's just run this through. Didn't seem like we took anything, but I see some gold stuff on the, some brass on the reamer. So, there we go. Oh man, that went all the way down too. Dang it. Dang it. Okay, here we go, guys. This is free to move. These are unbolted. Doesn't take much. There you have it. There you have it. So, let's just see how she goes, huh? There we go. Let's make her wiggle some. So, hopefully, those two are lined up exactly where they should be. And the first time I spin the engine over, it's going to start and run without any adjustment. Yeah, right. But we're going to give her a shot. So.